This next project is going to be a little hold down tool that we can all make. We're going to need some scrap wood. I got a piece of 2x4 scrap, and I'm going to use this 2.5-inch hole saw as my thought. I can make 2 of these out of one cut with this. So I'm going to get that drilled through the 2x4, and then we'll go over to the bench and show you what I got in mind. Okay, we got the other set put together. The feet glued on. Really, for very minimal cost. I don't recall how much these little rubber feet were. I can't imagine they were maybe 10-15 cents each. So let's say even 20 cents each. There's 40 cents in each one. The scrap wood I had laying around. So really I didn't have anything in that. Here's the, we can put that on here. Push down on this, and that, like I said, that flexes enough that this piece can't move around on you. I'm going to put one at my router table. I'm going to put one by my miter saw. That's probably the main part that I'm going to use it at, but I'm kind of happy with that. I don't recall who made those or who it was that had a video on these. I don't remember. That's terrible. I should write that down. I thought I might even put a little magnet in here. I'm not sure if I'm going to go to that trouble. We're going to try it without them. The magnet, I would be able to stick to the metal saw frame over here. I am going to make a couple trays, one for each side. And so that can even set in one of the trays as far as that goes. But all right, let's go on to the next project. Thank you, guys.